Hello friends. Ajay this side, and today brought you another lesson of very deep learning using Keras. Uh, at the back end, you can use anything, either TensorFlow or Thino. This time I brought you auto tagging, music auto tagging system. What this script do? Okay, let me giving you a brief of system type. The today I'm going to describe about the auto tagging, music auto tagging using Keras, and the backend is at the backend you can use any system, but I preferably use TensorFlow. But the script is compatible for both TensorFlow or Thino. Okay, this is a very the application is using very deep learning process. Okay, and it can tag any type of song. Okay, once the script read the song, it would be able to predict whether the song belongs from which genre and which type of instrumentation is being used on that song. Okay, this tutorial is brought to you by Ajay Jatav, and you can mail me your query, and for business purpose you can directly mail me ajayjatav@outlook.com, and also you can contact me for thesis guidance or research assistance or web development or intelligent system designing and full stack Python development, whatever type of application you are looking for, at my number 730739944. Okay, I belong from an organization namely WebTunic Solution Private Limited, and so you just visit our website and respond me and contact us for various app and full stack development. Okay, and you can also go for our online tutorial classes at mindcreature.com, and for thesis guidance you just click on my website infinitesolution.in, and you can post your queries regarding to thesis assistance. Okay, so here we go. Let me show you the script first, so that uh, I can give you a briefing about this script. But before giving you the briefing about the script, let me show the execution of this script. And today I'm going to execute two songs in this script. One, uh, the I just love it. Okay, I really love this song. So no new earring to celebrate. This is just another part of. After listening to the song, you can also listen this song at Steve. But I really don't know much about this singer, but the song is good. All I want to say, I love you. So you can just listen this song, and I guess most of the people don't know about which genre this song is belong from. Okay, and another type of song which I am going to perform on with the help of this script is a Punjabi song, as I live in Chandigarh. So I also love Punjabi song. So this is the most popular song of these days, Angreji Wali Madam. So you must listen this song as well.
ਉਹ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਰਹਿ ਗਏ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਅੱਛਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਸੰਗ ਥੱਲੋਂ ਜੱਟ ਨੇ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਤਾਂ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਜੱਟੀ ਦਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਭਰਦੇ ਥੱਲੋਂ ਜੱਟ ਨੇ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਵਾਲੀ ਮੈਡਮ ਬਿਨਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਸੰਗ ਥੱਲੋਂ ਜੱਟ ਨੇ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਵਾਲੀ ਮੈਡਮ ਟਪਾਈ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਪਾਣੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ.
You can listen all these songs full version at YouTube or somewhere else. So I'm just giving you an example of these songs. So here this is my script. Okay, it already loaded a pre-trained network from GIT Hub and H5 module. Okay, and for using this module you must call the weighted matrix and the kernel model of Keras. So converted all kernel model by these models is being installed available at the library under the layer of utility layer utils. Okay, and I've also used in this script 2D convolution network, max pooling, zero padding. Zero padding is being added to any type of data type, so that we can process whole the matrix without leaving the corner elements. And one of the important thing I'm going to explain you here, as I told you, this script is belongs from very deep learning module. So I'm going to explain you here the batch normalization. Okay, rest of the thing I have already explained you so many times, like dense, clear, dropout, reshape, permute. Okay, I will also give the briefing of these type of things in this tutorial, but let me show the execution of this script. But before start the execution, let me add the new songs on this script.
No New Year's Day. No chocolate covered candy hearts. जट्टा हो गया रूटीन तेरा नित दा चक में मजाजा दी पट्टीए हिंदी है कोई ता गल खा इत्थे जांदा तेरा एटीट्यूड वे चक में मजाजा दी पट्टीए पाई हुंदी अच्छा पानियों की संग थल्लों
No first of spring, no song to flowers bloom.
लेके छड्डना